everyone, welcome back. So this time I wanted to share with you guys these super cute little embellishments I made. They are my little Peep bunnies and I think that's what you call them, right? Peeps. And I made them kind of like a candy, my candy Peeps bunny or something like that. I don't know, but I think they turned out so cute. So actually what I used is this die here from Cat Scrappiness, and I love this die. So I use that, and then I use these little bunny stamps, like these little faces, and this is from Jaded Blossoms, and it's called Bunny Faces, and you get all of these faces here. So super adorable. So yeah, I made a couple of bunnies, as you can see, and I think they turned out so cute. And here, let me show you guys how it looks. And you could use these as a little tag. You could just put to and from on the back, or you could just add this on a card or on a bigger tag, or on anything you want. You could even, these little ones, you could add like a paper clip. You know, just use them however you want. But I think they turned out so cute, something different and fun. So let me show you how I created these. So I'm just gonna put them here to the side. And okay, so what you're gonna need is, I already have some of my little peeps here cut. And I'm going to be stacking two of these, and then this green one. And you use whatever color you want. I'm using this paper that is like watercolored, and you know, it's like in pastel colors. And I'm putting 3 because I want it to be a bit sturdy. Okay, so I'm going to glue this, and I was going to do this out of camera, but I thought, you know, I showed you, you know, all the layering and everything that I did. Sometimes I know people like to see like the whole process. So, and hopefully I'm focusing there. I'm always out of focus. So I'm just going to glue another one here. And this is because, and I'm using, actually this is 110-pound paper, but I still felt like it was a bit too flimsy. So that's why I am going to be putting 2 of these. And you could add, you know, as many as you want. To make it as sturdy as you want. So that's that one, and then I'm going to add my last piece, which is going to be the green paper. Okay, and I'm going to add that one. So there you go, like that. So I'm just going to press there so that it glues really nice. Okay. So we have this piece here. Super cute. All right, so now I'm going to add my face, and I'm actually going to bring my Misty here really quick. And I'm going to add my little bunny right there. And then I already have my little face here. So actually no, this face is smaller. I'm going to use a bigger face. So let's use this face right here. So I'm going to place my face on my bunny, wherever I want it to be. Okay, there. And now I'm going to ink my face. Press. I'm going to ink it again. And I'm doing this on the Misty because I don't want to mess it up. So there you go. So there we have the super cute little face. I love these faces. Actually, there's also like these super cute little bunnies stamps that go with this stamp. So you would add these faces to those bunny stamps. I didn't get those, but I think I'm gonna get them because it's so cute. But when I saw those faces, I literally thought for this because I just had a vision and I thought yes. So okay, so we have our little face there. Now I'm going to grab my worn lipstick, yeah, Distress Oxide ink, and I'm going to ink my bunny. And so I'm just going to ink the little cheeks here like that. And you know, if you don't want to do this part, you don't have to. I like it. I'm going to ink a bit the belly of my bunny. So I'm just, you know, grabbing it and I'm just inking the belly like that. And then I'm actually going to ink the ears also. And you know, you don't, like I said, you don't have to do this like this. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I like to do that. All right, so that's that. And so, you know, so it starts looking like that. I'm going to actually also color the little nose there and the little tongue. And I'm going to add, let me see, a little white dot right there and some white little dots to the cheeks. You can, you know, I don't know if you can see them. But yeah, you can't really see them because it's super bright, but in person you can see it and it's super cute. All right, so we have that part already. So now the fun part, we're gonna add all the cute, like what's this called? Sprinkles, the sprinkles. And the sequins, and we're gonna make them look like little candy peeps. So I have this jar here with sprinkles. I bought a bunch of sprinkles and I put them on this jar. Ooh, where is my little spoon? Sorry guys, let me just look for my spoon really quick. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to use some glossy accents. You want a glue that is really strong. So I like to use glossy accents. So I'm just going to take this here because it always, the glue always, you know, like, how do you say, clogs on the top, and I don't like that. So, okay, so now let me show you guys. We're going to put our glossy accents on the belly, and you want to be generous with your glossy accents. You know, you don't want to put such a thin layer. You actually want it to be thick so that the sprinkles stick really good. So now, you know, now I'm going to kind of press my sprinkles there. And then I'm just going to tap whatever excess I have. So again, so right there like that. And then you're not going to touch it anymore. You're just going to try to let it, you know, dry as, you know, dry. But for the video, we're going to keep on going. I do, you want to go by sections. Okay, so now I'm going to put more glue on the on top of here because I want to put some on top of the head to make it look like a crown of sprinkles like that. again. So we're just going to put the sprinkles. Oops, a lot of my sprinkles are falling. All right, and then just kind of like, you know, put it all together there. All right, so we have that so far. Okay, and we have a bunch of sprinkles everywhere. Okay, so let me just take these sprinkles like out of here. Oh. Okay, so we have that part. Super, super cute. I love it. Okay, so now we're gonna add our sequins. So I have this little bag here of sequins, and this bag, where did I get this bag from? Oh my god, I forgot. This little mix is so cute. I forgot where I got it. I'm sorry guys. If I remember, I'll try to let you know. I'm just gonna put some here and see which you know, sequins I want to glue. So now I'm going to use my Nuvo glue for this part, and I'm just going to add, you know, random, you know, some sequins on the bunny. So there, I'm going to add another one there. Hope you can see what I'm doing, guys. I'm gonna add one here. You add them wherever you want to add them. Okay. I'm gonna add one of these little circle, little like confetti sprinkles up there. Again, I'm gonna add one here. If you hear some snoring, because I'm already listening to that, it's my hubby. I'm doing this video super late, and I was trying for him not to snore on my video, but I can see that that's not gonna work because I just heard him snore. Hopefully you didn't hear him. And then I'm gonna add another one right here, and maybe another one right there. So I'm gonna add another sprinkle here, and then I'm gonna add one of these there. So there you go, guys. So cute. So what do you think? So there, I'm gonna show them all to you, and then you're just gonna let them sit and dry, because you don't want, you know, your sprinkles to start falling off. But I think it turned out super adorable. So there you go, guys. Super adorable. Let me know what you think, and I hope that you like this other idea. I don't know what's gone into me, but I've been having lots of ideas. So I hope that you like them. Okay, guys? All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Bye.